Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to transfer your Archero to account. So this will be a pretty straightforward and easy tutorial. You will just have to follow these few simple steps. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to know is most likely your account will be linked to a mail, which is itself linked to your Google Play account. So let's say you have an email on your Google Play account and you have the same email on your game, which is most likely the case. So you just need to connect on your other phone or on your other device with the same mail, and the account will be open on the other phone. So you don't need to do anything else. Now, if you don't have the same email, you can go to the settings, copy the user ID, and then open the other device, put in the user ID when logging in, and then putting the password. Now, just in case you don't have Google Play Games, you can go ahead and install it on the Google Play Store. So install the Google Play Games and then open it. Go on the profile in the bottom right corner. So click on the profile button. And here you will find yourself in this page with your profile and your account. So here, as you can see, I have a little drop down arrow. I click on it once, and here I will find multiple accounts to continue to Google Play Games, basically. So I have 3 emails. You will have to choose one email that you will use to link to your Archero 2 account and to use it on your other device to connect to Google Play Games. So that's it basically. You don't have to do anything else. It's very easy. You just have to connect to the same email. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.